Amazing that TTADC has decided to create employment and particularly with women beneficiaries by making it easy for them to procure vehicles which are electric, which don't harm the environment, which are fatigue free and also provide far more income for those who are driving it than the ICE diesel counterpart. It will also keep these geosensitive areas like Tripura clean and the air quality the same as when I last visited. So I'm really delighted that such schemes are being created by states which can then become beachheads or frontier states for electrification. It was an absolute pleasure to have you here, and we hope that through this more and more women can become employed and can contribute to electrification and just prosperity at home and outside. Thank you.
I'll say it in English as well. I would like to thank the Mahindra and Mahindra company, especially Anand Mahindraji, who I met in Bombay and then who introduced me to Suman, and the local dealership in Agartala as well. And it is very rewarding to see that the TTADC Council has been invited by the company itself at their own expense, so that we could come, the beneficiaries could come, the women could come and see how the factory operates and works. If we want a cleaner Northeast, if we want a greener Northeast, a greener, cleaner Tripura, a greener India, then I think the only future lies in electric vehicles. Because the cost of petrol always is rising. You don't know what is happening in Russia, you don't know what's happening in Ukraine, Iran, Israel. So we need to be in control of our own destiny. If today a youth or a woman takes over an EV and starts running it commercially, they can at least be in control of the future, and we will create entrepreneurship. Today there are so many unemployed people, and if the government cannot help them, at least the government can provide them as a bridge, a better way to earn an income. And I thank Sumanji, thank you so much. We would also like to thank Anand Mahindraji for his wonderful initiative. I know he's a busy man, but he gave a tiny tribal state in Northeast so much of time and respect, and so did you. We will never forget this. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.